What happens when war is no longer led by humans, but by machines that can think on their own? Imagine this. Within seconds, hundreds of drones sweep across the battlefield. They talk to each other, assign roles, and, without any human control, they identify targets and strike. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of warfare. And the future has already begun. In the past decade, drones have become the defining weapon of modern conflict. From the war in Nagorno-Karabakh to the Russian invasion of Ukraine, drones like Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 or the US MQ-9 Reaper have changed the game. They're cheap, precise, and, most importantly, they eliminate risk to human pilots. These machines can loiter in the sky for hours, scan enemy positions, and launch deadly strikes, all controlled remotely. But here's the catch. The most revolutionary shift isn't the drones themselves. It's the artificial intelligence that now powers them. With AI, drones are no longer just remotely piloted tools. They become autonomous systems capable of decision-making. Picture a drone swarm, hundreds of autonomous drones flying in coordination. They share data in real time, adapt to battlefield changes, and operate without a central command. It's like a swarm of bees, but armed with precision-guided weaponry and military logic encoded into their systems. And that's just the beginning. With autonomous targeting, AI now enables drones to see, recognize, and prioritize targets using computer vision and pattern recognition. Enemy tanks, moving troops, even weapon signatures can be identified within seconds. AI makes it possible for drones to engage targets with zero human input. It's efficient, it's fast, but it also opens up a whole new set of ethical and strategic questions the world isn't ready for. Soon, wars may not be won by who has the most tanks or the fastest jets, but who has the smartest algorithms, the most accurate data, and the most autonomous drone systems. We are entering the era of machine-led warfare, where decisions to attack could be made by code. And so we ask, are we ready to let machines decide who lives and who dies? Will drones and AI make war safer, or are we heading into something we can no longer control?